Hello lovely, welcome or welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I wash my hair within 20 minutes. Well, I say 20 minutes, sometimes it can take half an hour just depending on how I'm feeling on the day. But yeah, anyway, I've literally just come back from the gym. So as you can see, my hair's quite shrunken, it's a little bit dry and it's in need of, you know, a little wash day. I have actually washed my hair, I want to say about 5 days before filming this video. So I did my long wash day routine 5 days ago, and I will be washing my hair again in 2 days time. So this is like my midweek wash because I'm really finding that my hair needs it. I train at the gym quite regularly, my scalp gets sweaty, can't be dealing with all of that, so I like to wash my hair regularly. So as you can see, my hair is in 4 braids. You can do twists if you'd prefer, but the twists are just gonna, like, they're not gonna hold up in the shower, so I like to do braids. And as you can see, Mad Moisture from Henna Souk is my shampoo of choice today. Now this shampoo bar is absolutely incredible and I highly recommend it. What I love about this shampoo bar, is the fact that I don't need to condition my hair when I use it. It has some amazing ingredients in there. I'm talking about cocoa butter, jojoba oil, hemp seed oil as well, I think is in there as well. Anyway, it has some good oils up in this shampoo bar, and so this is why I only need to just wash my hair with it, and then once I've rinsed it all out, my hair feels so clean, but it also feels conditioned. So this is going to save you a lot of time. I'm putting you on, you know what I mean? I'm putting you on with this shampoo bar. I've used all of her shampoo bars. I own them all, okay? I've got the soap nut one, I've got the Cocavada one, the sweet honey one, but this is the one that I like to use when I do not want to condition my hair or when I haven't got time to condition my hair. It's just incredible for the scalp and also for your hair strands as well. Give it a try. It's also great if you're traveling as well and you want to wash your hair. This is what I use to wash my hair because, again, like I said before, I don't need to use my time to condition my hair. This is washing and conditioning all at the same time. So normally I want to say that it takes me about 2 to 3 hours for my long wash day routine because I'm doing my hot oil treatment, I'm shampooing my hair, I'm doing a deep conditioning treatment using different herbs, and then I'm moisturizing afterwards, and it can take a few hours. So this wash day routine is just, it's the best. It's the best for the middle of the week, and you've got to give it a try. Let me know if you're going to give it a try, and let me know as well if you've tried this shampoo bar and how you got on with it. Do you need to condition your hair once you have washed your hair using the shampoo bar? Because I really just don't need to do that. So another thing with washing your hair like this, because this is the trick, okay, do not skip this step. Whatever you do, it's important that you rinse your hair off with cool water. So after you've shampooed it and rinsed it with warm water, go in with cool water, not cold, not warm, but cool, okay? Because what that's going to do is it's going to seal your cuticles, okay? And from doing that, you're not going to get all of that frizz, all right? So it's super important that you rinse your hair with cool water after you have shampooed it. So I'm just going to section my hair up and then I'm going to proceed with moisturization. So as I said to you before, all of this literally takes me about 20 minutes, 30 minutes on a bad day or if I'm in my phone, all right? But it really is just a quick way to just wash and condition your hair all at the same time. Now I'm going to be going in with one of my holistic herbal leave-in hairsprays, and I believe the one that I'm using in this video is rose with some chamomile, some aloe vera, some, what else is in there, fenugreek as well, for its strengthening properties. So it's kind of like a moisturizing, strengthening hairspray, and I use it on my scalp and on my hair because it is pH balanced, so it's going to balance out the pH of my hair and my scalp, leaving my hair nice and soft. And that reminds me, actually, if you are someone who has purchased my holistic hydration ebook, please do let me know, because I'm still using these recipes. They are just, for me anyway, I absolutely love them. And from the feedback that I've got already, it sounds as though you are loving them as well. So if you haven't already let me know how you are getting on with my leave-in hairspray recipes, please do drop me a comment below in the comment sections so that I can thank you personally for purchasing the holistic hydration ebook. So as you can see, a little close-up of my hair. The integrity of my hair is amazing from washing my hair with the Mad Moisture shampoo bar. And of course, I'm going to seal in all of that hydration using my I think it's castor oil mixed in with jojoba oil. That's my hair's favorite oil. And then I'm going to seal all of that in with my homemade shea butter. I'll have that video linked here as to how I made my 3 ingredient shea butter. I've been using it for years. It's incredible. Like, if you have tried this recipe as well, please do let me know, because there's no way you're not going to find that this shea butter recipe is nothing short of incredible. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using, and that's all I'm using. Okay, so you can see just like all of these simple natural ingredients that I'm using to wash and condition my hair with, and my hair is retaining length. My scalp feels amazing. The improvement of the health of my scalp has just been incredible. I cannot recommend using natural ingredients enough on your hair. And as you can see, the integrity of my hair strands as well is just, I'm speechless, you know, because I've been using natural ingredients on my hair for years now, and it's just working out so well. I'm also, I forgot to mention, going in with my scalp oil, which I believe is amla and grapeseed. I like to use that on my scalp every time I wash my hair as well, because yeah, moisturization on the scalp is key for me. My scalp loves oils. Oh, and I want to mention as well, I'm in the middle of doing a 6-month hair challenge where I've been leaving my hair out every single day, or for most days during this challenge, and I'm retaining length. I've done a 3-month update video showing you how I've been getting on, having my hair out for most of the days out of the week in the winter. Okay, in the cold winter in the UK, and my hair's been fine. There has been a few things that I've had to learn. There's been a few things that I've had to chop and change, but it's working out really well because I'm still retaining length. My hair isn't getting dry, but like I said, there are definitely a few things that I'm having to do to prevent my hair from getting dry in the winter season. But I have explained all of that in my 3-month update video, so I'll link that video down below for you to check out. So all I'm going to do now is just simply braid my hair into 4 sections. You can do 8 sections if you prefer, however many sections your hair prefers. Okay, I'm going to do 4. Sometimes I do 8 when I can be bothered. Sometimes I'm lazy and I can't be bothered, so I do 4, and today's one of them days. All right, so it's been about 48 hours of me just leaving these plaits in my hair. My hair would have dried within about, I say my hair dries in about 16 hours, you know, maybe 12 to 16 hours, because I do have high porosity hair. So yeah, my hair dries super quick. But because I wasn't going anywhere the following day, I just thought, you know what, let me just change up the headscarf and keep these braids in for an extra, I don't know how long it was. It was like 2 days later anyway. And my hair was dry, my hair was moisturized and clean, all of that good stuff. And yeah, going forwards, this is just my new routine now. I like to wash my hair twice a week, so I have my full wash day routine, which is usually on a Friday, and then on the Wednesday I do this quick wash routine. And this is really helping my hair to stay clean, hydrated, moisturized, and of course it's helping me to retain my length. So let me know if you're going to give this a try, and when you do give it a try, let me know how you got on with it as well. The feedback means everything to me. All right, so give me some feedback and let me know how you are getting on with it. If you are on a holistic healthy hair journey just like me, watch this video next, and I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.